विश्वेशं माधवं धुण्डिं दण्डपाणिं च भैरवम् वन्दे काशीं गुहां गङ्गां भवानीं मणिकर्णिकाम्। Welcome, devotees. Various great rishis have installed shivlings in Kashi. These links are considered very powerful. In the coming few episodes, we will see several of these links. In this episode, we will see Agasteshwar, Angiriyeshwar, and Gautameshwar. Agasteshwar. According to Kashi Khand, Devatas along with Brihaspati came to Kashi and went to sage Agastya's ashram. They saw a serene atmosphere where the sage, that is Rishi, was praying to Lord Shiva in the form of a shivling installed by Rishi Agastya. The shivling was known as Agasteshwar. Agastya Rishi had dug a kund which was later on called Agastya Kund, where he used to take bath daily and perform all the puja and rituals in worship of Lord Shiva. Kashi Khand says devotees should take bath in Agastya Kund and perform the rituals for their forefathers. They should worship Agasteshwar. Such devotees will be absolved of all their sins. All their sufferings will vanish and they will reach heaven after their death. Agastya Kund is almost fully dried up, but the entire locality is known as Agastya Kunda in reverence to Rishi Agastya and Agasteshwar Ling. Agasteshwar Ling is located at Agastya Kunda Mohalla, which is near Godolia in Varanasi. Devotees visiting this place can have darshan of the other two shivlings mentioned in this episode, namely Angiriyeshwar and Gautameshwar, which are located nearby. Angiriyeshwar. Kashi Khand chapter 18 mentions that various shivlings have been installed in the holy city of Kashi by great rishis, that is, sages. It is worth mentioning here that on account of intense prayers to the lords, the sages have attained divine powers. In Harikesh area, sage Angiras has installed a shivling which is known as Angiriyeshwar. Devotees who worship this ling will achieve tejas, that is radiant energy, and will reach heaven after death. Angireshwar is located at Jangambadi Mutt, Varanasi. This is a famous place and can be reached by rickshaw. The shivling is located on the right side when the devotee enters the main gate. Gautameshwar. Gautameshwar shivling finds mentioned in chapter 97 of Kashi Khand. Kashi Khand mentions one important shivling named Gautameshwar in the vicinity of Muchkundeshwar, which is installed by Rishi Gautam. Devotees who worship this ling will derive all happiness and will attain moksha. Gautameshwar is located next to Marwadi Hospital and opposite Jaipuriya Bhavan, Godolia, and is quite famous. It is worth mentioning that the producers of this video series, Mahadev Handloom House, have their showroom in the premises where this holy ling is located. Our enquiries reveal that the temple has been reconstructed by His Highness the Maharaja of Kashi.